In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge shapes and text boxes in PowerPoint. If you're looking to add a creative touch to your presentations by combining different elements, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you can confidently do this on your own with ease. First, you'll want to make sure you have PowerPoint open on your computer. Once you do that, navigate to the PowerPoint presentation that you'd like to work on. Take a moment to decide where you'd like to merge your shapes and text boxes, as this will be an integral part of adding a professional flair to your slides. Now that you've got your presentation open, the next step is to move your intended shape and text on top of each other. Positioning is key here. Make sure they're aligned in the way you'd like them to appear once merged. This will save you time and effort later on, as adjusting post-merging can be a bit more complicated. With everything in place, it's time to select both the shape and text box. To do this conveniently, hold down the control key on your keyboard and click on each item. This allows you to select them simultaneously, setting the stage for merging them together. It's a small step but crucial for ensuring that the merge process goes off without a hitch. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Shape Format tab. You can find this on the PowerPoint ribbon at the top of your screen. Clicking on this tab reveals various options specifically designed to format and work with shapes, making it your go-to spot for this exercise. Within the Shape Format tab, look for the option labeled Merge Shapes. Clicking on this will present you with a few choices for how to merge your selected items. These options might include Union, Combine, Fragment, Intersect, and Subtract. Each option offers a different way of merging the text box with the shape, allowing for various effects and functionalities. Take a moment to consider how you want your text and shape to interact. Do you want them fully combined, just intersected, or perhaps to create a new shape by subtraction? Each choice gives your slide a distinctive look, so feel free to experiment with the effects until you achieve your desired outcome. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to merge shapes and text in PowerPoint. This technique is not only handy for adding a visual appeal, but can also enhance the way you convey information in your presentations. Practice this skill to make the most out of your PowerPoint projects and impress your audience with your creativity and attention to detail.